Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this snowflake. Let's open a new document. Change the fill to none and leave the stroke black. Next, switch to the pen tool and create a straight line. Hold down the Shift key to constrain. Let's create another line that will start on this path. Press the letter V to select the line. Click on it, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the Shift and Alt keys to create a copy. And repeat this one more time. Adjust the spacing if needed. Next, press the letter C for the scissors tool and click on this line to create a cut. And do the same with the top line. Now select the two end segments and then press the Delete key on your keyboard a few times. Next, select only the three segments and then press the letter O for the Reflect tool. Click on this anchor point to set the reflection point and then click, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, hold down the Shift and Alt keys as well. Next, select everything and if you like, increase the stroke's weight. We can also change the cap to round cap. With everything selected, go to Object, Repeat and choose Radial. Let's change the number of instances to 6. Next, highlight the value in the radius window and using the up or down arrow keys on your keyboard, adjust the spacing. Try to align these two end anchor points. If you need to make any adjustments, first double-click a few times on the snowflake to turn on the isolation mode. Now we can move the whole segment up or down. We can switch to the Direct Selection tool and move only one anchor point. Or we can reshape our snowflake. I'm going to undo the last few steps. Next, we will add a background. Let's create a new layer and move it to the bottom. Be sure layer 2 is selected and then swap the fill and the stroke. Bring the fill to the front and change its color to red. Now switch to the rectangle tool and click on this intersection. Type 1400 for the width and 890 for the height to match the size of our artboard. Now click OK. Let's lock layer 2. Select layer 1, bring the stroke to the front and change it to white. Next, I will show you how to create a symbol using our snowflake shape. Let's create a new layer. Now click on this square next to layer 1, hold and drag it to layer 3 to copy our snowflake to a new layer. Let's lock layer 1 and turn off its visibility. Be sure layer 3 is selected and let's resize our snowflake. Next, open the Symbols panel and drag this shape into it. If you wish, give it a name and then click OK. We can close this window and delete this shape. Next, select the Symbol Sprayer tool. Click on this arrow to separate this window from the rest and move it up. Now click, hold and drag to create many snowflakes. Select the Symbol Shifter tool to move the snowflakes around. Select the Symbol Sizer tool to change the size. Single click to increase the size. Or single click while holding down the Alt key to decrease the size. Use the Symbol Spinner tool to change the rotation. If we need to adjust any of the snowflakes separately, first go to Object and choose Expand. Make sure the object is selected and then click OK. Go to Object one more time and choose Ungroup. Now switch to the Selection tool, click on a desired snowflake and move it, or create a copy. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this ornament. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.